Then the hat's gonna come out, cross, out, around, down, out, just like that. And I think maybe this is a brim, I'm not sure. All right, there's the hat. Woo-wee, we're doing great. All right, so now we're gonna do this arm. So it's gonna be a little wiggly line because the shirt's scrunched up. It's gonna come around, wiggly line back. Then we're gonna wiggly, 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 wiggly. Now it kind of gets straight. Coming back up and up like that. Then we're gonna take this and we're gonna pull this down like that. We're gonna make a line coming across. And there's the one arm, easy as can be. Now we're gonna make the jacket come down, coming back up. And we've got a belt here. And then we've got this part of the jacket coming up and it goes under. And it's gonna come around. Got a leg coming down here. And then a foot coming around. Back up. Like that. There's a little rivet here. And the foot comes up. Another rivet here. And then it just hides back in the coat, and then the coat comes around. All right, let's do the other leg. It's gonna come around like so. There's a rivet. And we're gonna come down. This one's coming down further because it's kind of standing out front. And I should put the, so we got the black and yellow here. Woo! I'm using every inch of this room down here. There you go. Little rivet here. And we just have this portion here. There's the leg, very nice. And then we have the coat that comes back behind. And then it comes up to about where this is. And then it wiggles, wiggles. And then we've got that yellow apparatus right here. Kind of looks like a jelly bean. And then there's something flying out behind that. And it's got a, and then that looks like it comes around in a spiral behind, like so. And then we just have this arm. We're almost there. Wiggle, wiggle, circular line, coming back. We got a little bit of the arm coming here. And then the next section, and it goes out and up, circular. There's the black and yellow again. And it comes around and around. And then we've got a robot thumb and a robot finger and another robot finger, which is just like a rectangle. And then we've got two fingers coming out, and they've got their sections because it's a robot, looks like. And then part of the wrist. There we go. And let's complete this. And there it is. Looks good. So it looks like we've got some little doohickeys here. Filling in the background. Yeah, looks good. All right, if you enjoyed, oh, hold on. We got one more thing here, the belt. Don't want this coming off. There, that looks better. And it looks like, oh, we forgot this too. There, we got some buttons, and there it is. Hey, if you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching. There.